Buenos días. I'm a language learner y me gusta, I like, learning the grammar, pero también me gusta aprender canciones, songs. Y quiero presentar hoy El Octavo Día, and that's the 8th day by Shakira. El Octavo Día is a beautiful song. On the 8th day, El Octavo Día, Dios, God, después de tanto trabajar. So after working so much. En español, we say trabajar instead of trabajando. And you'll find that en español preferimos el infinitivo rather than el gerundio. See? So, después de tanto trabajar, you could use that. Después de tanto trabajar, quiero relajar. And that's what God wants. Para liberar tensiones. So that's to let go of tensions, liberar tensiones. Luego ya de revisar. So after reviewing it. And ya means already. So that's just an idiomatic way of putting things together. Dijo, he said, dijo, todo está muy bien. You can definitely use that phrase. Todo está muy bien. Okay, so, ¿qué tal? What's it like? Todo está muy bien. Gracias. Es hora de descansar. And we can also use that. Es hora means it's time. So we're not saying es tiempo, we're saying es hora. Es hora de descansar. Y se fue, and he went, y se fue a dar un paseo. So he went for a walk. So if you wanted to say, and I went for a walk, y me fui a dar un paseo. I went for a walk, y me fui a dar un paseo. God, y se fue a dar un paseo por el espacio sideral. Now that's outer space, all right? So that's a new piece of vocabulario. El espacio sideral. Outer space. ¿Quién se iba a imaginar? Who would have thought? What a lovely phrase. I would want that one. But it's difficult to say. ¿Quién se iba a imaginar? Que el mismo Dios, God himself, el mismo Dios, al regresar. So we're saying al regresar, and in English that would be on returning. Al regresar. Iba a encontrarlo todo. He was going to find it. He was going to find it all. So was going to is iba a. Iba a. Iba a encontrarlo todo en un desorden infernal, in a hellish mess. I don't know what your children's bedrooms are like, pero es posible que son en un desorden infernal. Y se iba a convertir, and that he would become. So he was going to become. Y se iba a convertir en un desempleado más, in one more unemployed. De la tasa is the rate, so the rate of unemployment in this case. De la tasa que anualmente, that year on year, está creciendo, it's growing, está creciendo sin parar. Now, sin parar is a really useful phrase, endlessly, non-stop, sin parar, without to stop, sin parar, useful phrase. Desde ese entonces, from that point forward, desde ese entonces, there are people, hay quienes lo han visto, there are people who've seen him, solo en las calles, alone in the streets, solo en las calles, transitar. Transitar would be moving about, something like that. Anda esperando paciente por alguien. And we're coming up to my favorite line. So he's walking waiting patiently for someone. Anda esperando paciente por alguien con quien al menos tranquilo pueda conversar. Isn't that what we all want really from life? Someone who you can have a good conversation with. Alguien con quien al menos pueda conversar. Maybe we can put that on our Tinder profiles if that's what you're into. All right, then we get to the chorus, which is mientras tanto, meanwhile. So useful phrase, meanwhile. Mientras tanto, este mundo, this world, gira y gira. So think of gyroscope. The gyroscope turns. So gira y gira sin poderlo detener. It can't be stopped. Sin poderlo detener. Y aquí abajo, and down here, y aquí abajo. This whole thing is so useful. You could say this because I think most people feel like this. Y aquí abajo, unos cuantos, a few people, nos manejan, move us about como fichas de ajedrez, like pieces on a chessboard. Hang on, let's just get that. Y aquí abajo, unos cuantos, or even just unos cuantos, nos manejan como fichas de ajedrez. Can you learn that? Unos cuantos nos manejan como fichas de ajedrez. I will say, when Shakira sings all of this, she does not go slowly. So at first you might be able to get a few words in to sing along with her. Even if you're just understanding it, it's a song that I've listened to countless times. It bears a re-listen. So especially for that favourite line of mine. No soy la clase de idiota. I'm not the kind of idiot que se deja convencer, that allows themselves to be convinced or to be persuaded. Personalmente, creo que todos lo somos. So I think we can all be convinced. And wouldn't it be lovely if we focus more on the art of delighting in people rather than the art of trying to persuade people? Es mi opinión. Pero digo la verdad. But I'm telling the truth. And that's nice, isn't it? Digo la verdad. Digo la verdad. I'm telling the truth. Y hasta un ciego lo puede ver. So even a blind person can see it. Hasta un ciego lo puede ver. Now, there's a second verse. So there's a lot in here. Lots of phrases that you might like. Si a falta de ocupación, so whether due to a lack of employment o de excesiva soledad, or from excessive loneliness. Soledad is loneliness. Dios no resistiera más. God could not resist any longer. So no resistiera más. That's a subjunctive form. Not if he couldn't. So it's a past subjunctive. And it's talking about something that's not real. If he couldn't, si a falta de ocupación o de excesiva soledad, Dios no resistiera más y se marchara a otro lugar, and he would go to another place. Sería, it would be, nuestra perdición. It would be our downfall. No habría otro remedio más. There would be no other solution. So that could be useful. No habría, there would not be. No habría otro remedio más. Any other solution. Que, and here are our options. Que adora a Michael Jackson, a Bill Clinton, or a Tarzan. That's what choice she's giving us. Shakira. Okay, then she says, es más difícil ser rey sin corona. It's more difficult to be a king without a crown que una persona más normal. pobre de Dios. So that's useful. That's like saying poor God, but you could say pobre de ti, or pobre de ella, or pobre de Timothy. Pobre de Dios, que no sale en revistas. He's not coming out in magazines. So all these things that distract us from what really matters in life, whether that's whatever that is to you, but I'm sure it's not what comes out que sale en revistas. No es modelo ni artista o de familia real. So all these things that we worship, she's talking about. And then we go back to the chorus. Mientras tanto este mundo gira y gira sin poderlo detener. El octavo día personalmente me gusta más la versión del MTV Unplugged. So I'll link that at the end of the video. Por favor, si te gusta y te gustan las frases, dame un like y compartir mis videos con tus amigos. I will be back to doing more lessons muy pronto. Hasta entonces, adiós.